So, the Insta360 Go has amazing stabilization. It's fantastic, especially when you use it in the Flowstate stabilization mode. And using it in this mode means that the horizon lock is on, meaning that you can tilt it in any orientation and it remains level. All this is done through the magical wonderfulness of the extreme math deployed in the AI of the Insta360 software. So, I started wondering, you can get other cameras to do this mechanically through a gimbal, and you can get these in a small format too, though not as small as the Insta360 Go 2. I'm thinking about the Osmo Pocket. So how does the electronic stabilization of the Insta360 Go 2 match up to the Osmo Pocket mechanical gimbal stabilization? I decided to rig up a little test to compare. Keep watching to find out what happens. Let's go to. So I have this Osmo Pocket here, which is a little like a block or stick with a camera on top that adjusts to keep the horizon level. So I decided to rig up my own little Osmo Pocket elaborate technical comparison with the Go 2. Yup, it's the Insta360 Go 2 stuck on the end of a knife. Long live the magnetic mount for the Go 2. I was actually going to tape the Go 2 to a stick, but why risk messing up the surface of my Go 2 with tape when I can just do this? Hey, it took a long time to set this up, so I hope you appreciate the effort I've gone to. Now make sure you subscribe, share, like and applaud this video to show how much you appreciate my efforts. Ha! Alright, let's do some quick tests. It's simple. I'll simply hold the cameras, one in each hand, and point it at some scenes and move the cameras from side to side, and we'll see what we end up with and you can compare for yourself. Pretty simple. Well, let's take a look at what I got. So aside from things like the intensity of colors and the different looks from each camera output, I used the narrow view output from the Insta360 Go 2 to be a reasonably rough match of the narrow field of view you get with the Osmo Pocket. What did you think? I'm keen to hear your comments in the comment thing below. Personally, I think the Go 2 footage looks pretty sharp and pretty stable indeed. Now, it's not a perfect test because the gimbal is stabilizing around the lens itself on the Osmo Pocket, but you can see that I'm not fixing the lens point on the Go 2 particularly well on this test, which you can see if you watch my shadow here. So it's by no means a perfect test at all, but I do think you get a good idea as to what the Go 2 stabilization is capable of achieving, which is pretty phenomenal. If you like this, check out this video I've made on the Insta360 Go 2, and there's already a few on my Go 2 playlist with plenty more to come. Subscribe, share, like and applaud. My name is Saab Johal, and I'll see you again here soon. Laters in it.